Euro USD analysis today. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about euro against dollars. So before we start the video, if you are new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification. Below the video you'll find some links. You can join the Telegram channel. It's free if you want some free signals every now and then. So go and connect with Telegram and check out the brokers in the prop firm right here. So if and when you are going to trade with my signals, I want you to trade them in a separate broker account. That's why you have these brokers. So if and when you will be start trading with my signals, make sure the data is all separate. I'll need that data maybe in the future, that how much did you lose or how many trades did you win or lose. Okay, all that in the future. So go and subscribe, like, check out these links. Coming back to the chart here, starting the top down approach with weekly time frame. So in euro USD weekly, we have broken all the previous highs of last, I would say, 5 years. Okay, so we went up to 1600. You can see 1.1615. So we touched down even 1600 plus, and this high was not broken in last 5 years. So we are, I think, on the verge of collapse. I think we are about to collapse in euro USD. Collapse means this strong downtrend can start anytime next week. I don't know when, but it is supposed to come down. Okay, so we had been up in weekly. We have broken all the previous highs of last 5 years. Coming back to daily, what we have in daily, we are still in the uptrend. Okay, again, 1 month ago, millennial traders told you right here that we're gonna go down. I told you no, we're not gonna go down. Okay, that was only me alone. So when this candle was formed on 12th of May, people 1 month ago, those millionaire traders kept saying that we're gonna go down. I was the only one, or maybe I was only few of those traders who kept saying no, we're not going down. We're gonna take down this high, which we did. So when I saw this candle, I said, we're gonna take this high, which happens right here. Okay, so I think now, let me see, this high is broken too, and this candle did not eat the previous blue candle, so we still can't confirm that we are going down. Okay, so we still have to take an entry, whether should we go up or whether we should go down. So for that we have to go back to 4 hour. In 4 hour, my friend, I don't see any as of now, because the market is closed. This is the data until Friday, last Friday. Okay, as per this setup, I can clearly tell you that we are going to take down this high. Okay, so if you enter long right now, right here, you can exit at this point and take a profit right here. So I think before it comes down, if it comes down in that case, okay, so before even it comes down, it's going to touch down that 1600 mark again. It has to take down this high again, because you see this on Friday, this red candle, then a long blue candle eaten the previous red. This should be your entry, and then take down this previous high. Okay, but market is closed, so you have to keep an eye what happens on Monday, next 2-3 hours after the market opens, and then decide if you're gonna enter long or not. Otherwise, this is a perfect entry. This was the long trend, this was the uptrend, then the pullback, then the blue confirmation candle. This is a spot on entry, if you ask me. If the market was not closed, I would have entered the trade right here. Okay, so uptrend, pullback, then we're gonna go up again. Your exit will be right here, and yeah, this is a perfect setup. If the market would have been open, we would have entered long, no question asked. But just keep an eye on what happens on Monday morning. Wait for 4 hours when the market opens, and then decide. But market or trend is still up in all higher time frames, 4 hour, 1 hour daily, and this weekly. We are up. So look for longs, and this is a perfect entry. If the market opens right here, enter long, and this is your take profit. Okay, so if you like what you see, subscribe, like, and all of that, and check out the broker, join Telegram. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care.